What's up guys, it's your girl Sharnice and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your friends if you think that they'll enjoy it as well. One of the most frequently asked questions that I get on Instagram is, how long do your retwists last? And I'm here to tell you the truth. My retwists don't ever last that long. If I retwist my hair and I don't style it, right now I do have it styled, but if I don't style my retwist, it can last up until a week. And so I know a lot of people are struggling with the longevity of their retwists and want to find some ways that they can keep their retwists in longer. And so if you are interested in hearing more about that, please stay tuned. The first way that you can ensure your retwists last long is you can style your hair, whether that's a style like this, whether that's a style like twists and braids. I especially like twists and braids because the hack that a lot of people use is that they leave their twists or braids in for like 1 or 2 weeks and then they unravel it and they wear a twist out or a braid out for another 1 to 2 weeks. And that way they don't have to retwist for a total of anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks. And I think that works really well. It's a way to really make sure that your retwist lasts and that you can enjoy it while it lasts. A lot of people get discouraged by their retwist unraveling too quickly and their hairs not being as neat as they would like it to be. The second way that you can make sure your hair is neat and in place is you can try a different method. Maybe you can interlock your hair, maybe you can crochet your hair. I know that people do like the idea of the palm roll, but sometimes those methods will work better in terms of making sure that you don't have any flyaway hairs, making sure that you don't feel discouraged when you've taken the time to do your hair and then in a week it's just unraveled looking like you didn't do anything. I've been there. The third way that you can make sure your retwist lasts is you can wear a head tie at night. And I specifically say head tie because when you wear a bonnet, the bonnet is really loose around your hair, right? But the head tie, if you tie that scarf around your hair, you can make sure that your hair really stays in place and stays neat so that when you wake up the next day, it's still fresh. And the last tip is for people who are really super active. When you are working out, what you can do is make sure that you put your locks away in a bun or a ponytail, and you can even tie your headscarf around your hair that way. And after you finish working out, give it some time. You can remove the headscarf just so that your hair can breathe and all that sweat can really release itself. But give it some time before you take out the ponytail and let it dry some more. And that way you'll find that your retwist will last a little bit longer. I hope that this video was helpful. It was super quick, but I just wanted to address this because so many people ask me how long my retwist lasts. So many people think that my retwist lasts a really long time and they don't at all. And me personally, I am really bad about leaving my styles in, so I'm trying to get better at that. Please be sure to like and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.